This is Munib, growth strategist from Growth Beyond Horizon. So here we are back again with another Amazon video, and in today's video I'll show you guys how you can use SellerAmp SAS tool for your Amazon products. See here, I've already opened the product. Let me just refresh it for you guys. It will take a few seconds. See, I have already signed in the SellerAmp SAS, and here I have already downloaded the SellerAmp extension. So it fetches the data automatically and opens a panel of SellerAmp on its own with all the details of the products. See, here's the products title, products ASIN, products review, products UPC, products dimension, and eligible. Eligible means if you have connected your Seller Central account with it. So here you will see if you are eligible to sell this product or not. In the alerts panel, you will see whether this products have other variations. Isn't it hazmat, or does it have any PL or IP issues? BSR means best sellers rank. Here it shows the estimated sales per month. Here it is showing the maximum cost you should pay when you are sourcing the products. Here is the cost price, the price which you are sourcing the product. Let's say we are sourcing the product on $88 per unit. So it automatically calculates the profit and ROI, return on investment. Here is the sale price on which the product is currently selling. See, here are the other offers of this product, other sellers who are selling this product. We have 12 FBA sellers and 16 FBM sellers. And on scroll down, you will see here are their inventory, how many stock they have, and when you further scroll down, here are some charts which will show you the price, the buy box, and all the details you want. And scrolling down, you will see the exact BSR rank of the product, the buy box price. Here is the lowest FBA seller price offering right now, 142. Lowest FBM price is 140.41. And on scrolling down, you will see profit calculator here. If you click on here, you can set your own criteria right from here. See, profit, ROI, maximum cost, the fees. Here you can see the breakdown of the fees, FBA fees. Here you can mention the months for which you want to hold the inventory, and from here you can export the whole data into a Google Sheet just with a single click. On scrolling down, here you will see the buy box analysis of the product. See, it has multiple sellers here. That means that is a good sign. That means the buy box are shared. And see, it's a 90 days data, average 90 days data. And on further scroll down, you will see the seller name and all the things, the average prices. And if you scroll down, you will see how many weeks ago they have the buy box. On scroll down, you will see variations. This product has no variations, so it has nothing here. From here, you can see it also shows a Keepa graph. You can see all the details of Keepa graph as well. But if you have a Keepa account as well, you can attach it and it will be more better for you. If you have attached your Amazon Seller Central with it, you can literally add this product, add this listing in your account just with a single click from here. I hope you guys have understood all the basic SellerAmp SAS uses, and that's it for today. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video.